there's no reason people aren't gonna flock back to concerts. What is going on, guys? I hope you are having a fantastic day. We're gonna be doing a giveaway at 500 subs to win this right here. All you have to do to get entered into win is drop a sub, leave a like, and a comment as to what your favorite company is. Doesn't matter, it can be publicly traded or private. All companies are good because they are boosting the economy. Today, we're gonna be talking a particular publicly traded company that I think is poised to rebound nicely once the coronavirus pandemic essentially kind of subsides, and I think the election is over and all the politicalization, if you will, is kind of stopped. So my analysis of this company and my recommendation to buy this company right now at its current levels is based off the belief, so disclaimer, based off the belief that this time next year, the coronavirus is going to be completely behind us. Life will have returned, if not to normal, pretty much normal before coronavirus. And so with that being said, take that with a grain of salt. If you don't hold that same opinion, disregard. Maybe you don't want to invest in this company because who knows, maybe it won't last that long. So the company I'm talking about is Live Nation Entertainment, and what they do is they put on concerts, so live events, anything like that. This company is probably responsible for the production, setup, takedown, ticketing, all that stuff. I mean, if we're looking here at their chart, if you exclude the coronavirus, they've been on an absolute tear for the past 4 to 5 years. And I mean, it makes total sense, right? With the social media day and age, you know, everybody's sharing everything. Everybody loves concerts. Everybody's communal. Bunch of hot new artists, pop culture, right? And it just drives the want and need to get out to these events. So they've essentially taken their share price, 2016, late 2015, from $25 a share all the way up to right before the pandemic hit, and it's like $75 a share. So that is an incredible return for a company that isn't big tech, not named Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, right? That's really impressive. To double or even triple your money in that amount of time is a company that should draw our interest. The big pullback, right, that they've seen here because of the pandemic isn't because of bad business practice per se from the company. It's a freak thing totally out of their control that has essentially said, oh, we're not allowed to do business right now. But I think that the second the pandemic is over and concerts are allowed to be had again, people are going to go out in full force and spend so aggressively at these things that I don't see an issue with this company returning to its recent highs of $75 a share. And from the current value it's at right now, that's essentially, 50-60% returns right there. So that is awesome. And then, in the next 5 years or say, I don't see there's any reason why it can't get to $100, $120 a share and whatnot, just because of how popular the music industry is. During the lockdown, right, you've seen stocks like Spotify absolutely take off. And it's because we as a people, as a consumer, we love music, we love noise, we love things that grab our attention. Concerts are exactly that. And you've seen Spotify take off, right? And if you think that we're gonna return to normal, there's no reason people aren't gonna flock back to concerts. So now if we start to take a look at some of their financials, I wanna look at their total revenue year over year, which granted, revenue is not everything because as your revenue increases, your costs and expenses and everything like that could also increase. But it does tell a story, right, of essentially consumer drive, spending, et cetera, et cetera. And their total revenue year over year, so 2015 to 2019, you can see that it has increased, right? And I don't think that that is any surprise because you've seen their stock price year over year continue to grow. So I like this trend. We're not looking at 2020 data because we're operating under the assumption the consumer is going to return to their spending and lifestyle pre-coronavirus, because I don't think anybody likes being locked up and jamming by yourself. You like being with other people at a concert, fire and whatever it is, like whatever kind of music you're into, people love it. So the total revenue year over year, it looks like it's increasing right around $1 billion or $1.5 billion year over year. And granted, like I said earlier, that doesn't mean everything because you can see the cost of total revenue is increasing as well. But I think this company is in a good financial state. They do have a lot of cash on hand that they're burning through right now. And as long as this doesn't extend 2-3 years, this company will absolutely weather the storm. And I think it's a really good growth play. You guys are more than welcome to disagree with me. That is just my opinion. I think if I get my stimulus check, this is a company I'm going to seriously look at. because I really think the consumer is going to get back to doing what they were pre-coronavirus. But before we go, happy Friday. And today in history, August 7th, 1782, George Washington authorizes the award of the Purple Heart for soldiers wounded in combat. That is really interesting because I really did not know that that was a thing, like way back when, and that he was the guy who put that in, I guess made that award a thing. And it's really cool. Thankful for all the soldiers out there, and it totally fits with our giveaway. So if you guys are not already subscribed or need a reminder, drop a sub, like, comment your favorite stock, company, publicly traded, private, and you are going to be entered in a win. Have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.